Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2020 Nissan Murano Platinum. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities. And taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, rear park sensing, backup camera, roof spoiler with roof rails, mud flaps on the rear, and front. We got heated door mirrors, turn light indicating mirrors, side view camera. And moving to the front here, we got a remote start. We do get a nice black hood deflector with front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Nissan grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. You have hooks and nuts to hold your gear down. Can collapse your last row by just pulling that lever there. As well as on that side, you got 12 volt right there. And you do get your normal storage underneath with a spare tire. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice beige leather interior, some nice quilting, plenty of door space in the back, wood paneling, leathering on the door, carpeted interior, heated middle seats, USB and USB-C, rear vents, some storage there. And of course, you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, memory seat for up to 2 drivers, heated steering wheel, traction, liftgate, your park sensings, gas cap, hood, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 56,469 kilometers. We got this heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, volume, source, toggle for your screen, voice, phone, all that jazz. Here we got our navigation, audio, there's that, information about the vehicle, fuel economy, driving aids, speed limit warnings, and lane centering, all that jazz, tire pressure info, warnings, settings, all that jazz. We got heated and cooling front seats. You got that lovely leathering on the center console with wood paneling. Tons of storage underneath, same wood paneling in your center here. Storage, gear select, engine start stop, aux, USB, USB-C, and a 12 volt. Climate controls up front, cooling front seats, like I said before. Dual climate up front, storage below, wood paneling along the dash, and above me we get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, hazards. We got our main menu here, which we have our navigation. You have your phone, so you can connect your phone here, information, NissanConnect, SiriusXM, stocks, all that jazz. Your audio will be found here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, all that jazz, USB, settings, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely 360 view of your vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is UA39776B, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.